Oh, check out my ramen, bro. This is shrimp ramen, yeah? With a bunch of veggies in there. And shrimp and carrots and all the goodness. This is my pescatarian diet. I'm back on it. So, yeah. Okay guys, so check out this wig that I made the other day. Remember the closure in my unboxing video? This is it. It's a different texture than the deep wave that I have here. So yeah, it's way too curly at the top. I had to pluck it, as you can see. And no, I'm gonna glue it down or anything. I'll build the wig. I'm gonna have the wig put on for like couple weeks because I'm never really sure how I feel about it. But then I take it out a while ago and put it on my head and brush it out, and now I kinda sort of feel it. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I have to go style it and then see, because I can do like, I don't know. But yeah, if I glue it down as so and then probably wet it up back, maybe it would go on me. But yeah, I'm gonna make that one, yeah. Yeah, it wants style, but yeah, I did have it in a bang at first. Let me see the bang, look. I cut, this is the reason why the front is so short, because when they cut it in a bang. But no, not the bang, the bang. Oh, 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 oh. No. Anyways, oh, when I like my nail polish, I love it. This is the dip gel. Yeah, dip gel. I'm gonna start use this for my nails them and stop put a curly on my nails, because trust me, my nails have been through a lot. But yeah, as long as I look for myself, and I lose weight, you know, because I stop eating meat, so I can see myself losing a few pounds. But anyways, we talk to me on the next clip. Bye. So the thing is, I haven't had meat in, it's going on to 3 weeks. If I look exhausted and tired, it's because it's hot outside. Sorry about that. So I haven't had meat in like 3 weeks, and I don't know, my body is telling me that I need some meat. So I was gonna go to Wingstop and get some wings, but I reach in and I really don't feel like go outside. So I have a fish in the fridge and I feel like I could just wrap it up in some foil paper and put it in the fridge, because I'm doing like a whole pescatarian diet. I'm not a vegetarian or anything, but I try to limit my intake with meat, chicken especially, because I'm trying to, I guess, I don't know what I'm trying to do, to be honest. But for the last 2 weeks that I haven't had meat, I lost like maybe 3 pounds. So now I'm just gonna go on the scale and see what it will say, because this morning it tell me say may lose 10 pounds, but I don't believe it, maybe it never level. So yeah, I look exhausted. I don't have no energy right now. This, I don't know what this is. Well, I do know what it is. It's basically like one of them dry patch there that always come up on my skin when I'm not moisturizing. And from what it come up, and it just leave a black spot in my face. But yeah, me I go in the shower, took a, I just not feel right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm not really gonna show you guys the full process of what I'm doing, but yeah, I'm making stuffed snapper with shrimp. I'm gonna put it in the oven, as you can see. The foil is right there. I'm gonna use spinach, and these are like my cut up vegetables that I'm gonna stuff in it. So yeah, that's the process of getting everything done. So I'm gonna really have no vlog footage, so I figured, you know what, let me just show you what I'm up to. It's Friday evening, by the way, and let me turn on the camera. So this is how we coming, bro. This is how we coming. We have some shrimp. We stuffed it with like all of the seasoning and spinach. We put a big blob of butter on it just to help the crackers them steam, and then you know you have the water crackers well stuffed in here and all over, so it's litty. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just washed my makeup off. I'm not gonna see a dry patch right here, so I don't know. I had a dry patch the other day where it was peeling, because sometimes I have like eczema. I think I have mild eczema, so that's what that is. It left a scar. Plus this bump come up yesterday. I don't know where it come from, but it just blab on my face. I'm now bust it in and I leave it alone because it hurts so bad. Anyway, when I hear some fun in the background, I turn off the AC. So I need to give you guys a rundown on what's been going on. If I didn't tell you, I'm gonna tell you guys now. I'm doing a pescatarian diet. Today makes 3 weeks since I've had meat. Because I started on a Friday. Today is actually Friday. So yeah, today is my 3rd week. So in my last clip, I showed you guys that I was preparing some snapper. So right now, that's all I've been eating. I've been eating a lot of tuna, a lot of snapper, as you can see. Me eat some, what are some of the name? I put in the oven some salmon. And yeah, so I haven't been really eating meat. The thing is this, my auntie was saying that, you know, because the other day I fell for meat. I fell for meat so bad, and I was like, yo, I'm going to Wingstop to get some meat, but then I decided not to do it. I fight the urge, and then the feeling just went away. So I was on Fridays I don't really practice to cook. I normally eat out. But today I decided that, you know what? I'm tired of eat out and not enjoy the food, so why not just come home and put my fish in the oven? I probably will enjoy it more, yeah? So that's what I'm doing. So just to give you a rundown on that, I have an idea of a prank. This is not really a prank channel. I do videos that I like, basically lifestyle videos, reviews, you know, story time. I really like story time videos. I've been getting into the zone of doing story time videos, but I don't know, I feel like I'm running out of stories now. So I have to cut down on them. I don't want to tell you the whole of my story them. Yes, I have a really good video idea, a really good prank. The thing is this, my mother is an old fashioned Jamaican woman who go to church and then something there, and she's big on abortion. She's against it. I'm not against it, but she's very big on abortions. Now, the other day we were having a conversation, and I'm about to turn 35, and she was like, she want to experience me having my baby before she passed away. Which my mother is very young anyway, but the thing is this, you know, she just was saying that. So I have a video idea where my mother know that I'm not in a relationship, I'm not really dating anybody, I'm single, and I'm always at work, and I'm always home. So today I'm gonna call her and she not answer me. So I feel like somebody I go prank her with a whole me being pregnant conversation, and that I'm going to abort it and see how she responds. Now I don't live with my mother, so it's gonna have to be over the phone, but I really think about it. She watch my videos, so I'm probably gonna try the prank before I upload a video. Yeah? If it fail, it fail. If it then I'm not gonna see the prank. But anyway, yeah, I was just checking in with you guys, and I guess I'll see you in the next clip. I went and I got dip powder for my nails. This is the gel powder. I did a pedicure and a manicure. The pedicure is fine. My toes are still polished. They're not cracked or anything. But for my nails, the blue is a powder that they dip my nails in and then they put on. If you know, you know. It's gel powder or something like that. Gel manicure or powder. I don't know if I call it. But yeah, it's a dip powder or something. And it start crack already. I did my nails last week. It was very expensive. And them start crack already. So yeah. Next time I go back to the nail salon, I'm just gonna go back to my whole doing my nails acrylic and just call it a day because I'm not really paying a whole heap of money for my nails last me for a week. That don't make no sense. But yeah, say hi to my bump. Because obviously it's saying hi to you. So let me go get my food. It's the weekend, by the way. Today's Friday. I'm gonna want no disturbance. I just want to sleep. I just want to chill. I want to be by myself this weekend. I think today is the last of June. Tomorrow is the beginning of August. So yeah. I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. Just giving a little sneak peek of what my fish looks like. So yeah, that's what we're working with. Well steamed. See, it's pulling apart. Yeah. The shrimp. So I'm gonna go eat now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yes, you are absolutely right. Breakfast and bed for me. Oh, and I have my syrup right here. So I have some pancakes and some grapes and some whipped cream. And yes, I'm not drinking tea, I'm drinking cold brew. So I have some ice. So yeah, it's Saturday morning and I decided to sleep in. So that's my bed right there. You ready? This nigga looking right at us. He's looking right at us, everybody. Like, you wanna come over here? Hey, no! Where's he going? Oh, it's like three over here. Stuff and I went crazy. Yes, my food is on my bed because I do eat in bed. It's Friday, by the way. Yeah, so I went crazy. I have some I think this is the Atomic lemon pepper. This is a piece of brownie fries. I didn't get no corn this time. And I think this is my favorite, which is garlic parm. And you know you have to get the ranch. So yeah, I'm about to go ham right now. Bye.
That's all, folks.